Imagine this. It's 2030. You're scrolling through your bank account and your past self made two choices. Either you invested smartly in 2025 and built a massive portfolio, or you ignored the opportunities and are stuck in the same financial struggle. The choice is happening now. In this video, we'll explore the best investment opportunities of 2025. And trust me, some of these will surprise you, because the rules of investing are changing, and those who adapt will be the ones driving the Lamborghinis while others are stuck. Googling, "Why am I still broke?" Let's get real. Inflation is soaring, traditional savings accounts are a joke, and a 9-to-5 job alone won't get you to financial freedom. If you're still thinking, "I'll just save money in my bank," that's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. But here's the good news. If you play your cards right, 2025 can be the year you build wealth that lasts for decades. We'll break down the smartest investment options, why they work, and exactly how you can start. Stay till the end because we have a hidden gem investment most people overlook. But those who act on it now could see massive returns. First up, the powerhouse investment that's still making millionaires. Despite all the noise, the stock market remains the #1 way to build long-term wealth. But here's the twist. 2025 isn't just about buying the usual S&P 500 index fund. The game is changing. With AI, clean energy, and biotech on the rise, some stocks are set to explode. Take Nvidia, a company that was once just a gaming chip maker. Now, it's leading the AI revolution. The key in 2025, find emerging companies before they hit mainstream media. And no, buying meme stocks based on some random guy's tweet is not a strategy. That's called gambling, my friend. But what if I told you there's an investment that grows even when the stock market crashes? Let's talk real estate. People will always need a place to live. And while the stock market can be volatile, real estate offers stability. Now, before you say, "But I don't have hundreds of thousands to buy property," here's the secret. You don't have to. In 2025, fractional real estate investing is changing the game. Platforms like Fundrise and Arrived let you own a piece of rental properties for as little as $100. Meaning, you start earning passive income without the headache of managing tenants. But what if I told you there's an investment where your money grows, and Uncle Sam lets you keep most of it? Let's talk tax-free growth. Most people don't realize they're handing over thousands of dollars to the government every year in taxes. But smart investors use Roth IRAs to legally avoid this. Here's how it works. You put after-tax money into a Roth IRA, invest in high-growth assets, and when you withdraw in retirement, zero taxes. That's right. You keep every single dollar of your gains. It's basically the government saying, "Here's a cheat code, but don't tell too many people." And speaking of cheat codes, there's an investment that creates passive income while you sleep. Let's talk dividends. Imagine getting paid just for owning a stock. That's what dividend stocks do. Companies share their profits with you. And the best part, even during a recession, many dividend-paying companies continue paying out. In 2025, the strategy is to invest in dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased dividends for 25+ years straight. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. But what if you could invest in the future before the masses catch on? Our next investment is where innovation meets wealth. We're talking crypto, AI startups, and commodities like lithium, the backbone of EV batteries. The key in 2025, smart allocation. Crypto isn't dead. Bitcoin's next halving cycle is coming, and historically, it has triggered major bull runs. But instead of betting your life savings on Dogecoin, focus on projects with real-world utility. AI startups, They're like investing in Amazon in the 90s. Companies pioneering AI automation, robotics, and machine learning will be the Tesla and Apple of the future. Now let's be clear, not investing is the biggest risk. While others hesitate, those who take action in 2025 will build the kind of wealth that lasts for generations. Here's what you do next. Pick one or two of these investments that align with your goals. Start small. Consistency beats trying to time the market. Keep learning, because the biggest returns come from knowledge. The real question is, where will you be in 5 years? Stuck in the same financial cycle? Or sitting on an investment portfolio that gives you complete freedom? The decision starts today. If you found value in this, don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because the difference between broke and wealthy is knowledge. See you at the top.